Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix this error for Battlefield 6 DirectX error. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see from here we have the Battlefield game. Now we will need to check for our DirectX version since it might be outdated. To do so, all you have to do is go to your search bar and write DXDIAG. As you can see, this is going to be the app, so you're going to play it and then you're going to run the command for it. And here is going to diagnose our drivers. But as you can see, the DirectX version right here says 12. If this says anything below the number 12, then it is outdated and you need to download the new one. To do so, all you have to do is go to your search engine and then from here just write DirectX 11 download. And once you do so, it's going to send you right here, Microsoft DirectX 11 technology. And then from here, going to click download and it's going to update it to the latest one, either 12 or 12 point something above. Now that you have downloaded the new DirectX version, I would suggest for you to also check your drivers. To do so, all you have to do is search for the NVIDIA app if you have GeForce, but if you have AMD, then it's going to simply go to the AMD app. And as you can see right here, this is the NVIDIA official application, which you will have if you have any graphics card, such as GeForce. And then from here, go to the drivers. And so for here, it's going to check. And as you can see, install GeForce Game Ready driver. So from here it says up to date, but if for you it might say to install the new update and the new version. Once you do that, you're going to restart your computer, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.